Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the TTDEYE contact lenses. They come in this cute packaging, and the packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with stickers, different types of stickers, and very colorful ones. And I love the packages of each lenses. They're very colorful, and I love the fact that the packaging also comes with the names of the contact lenses. As you guys can tell, you can see that one of them is polar light blue, falling stars and all of that. Look at that, very colorful, very professional. I love the fact that they paid attention to details when it comes to their packaging and the quality of their contact lenses. And the packaging also comes with an extra packaging for you to store your contact lenses. And look at that, you also have the tools to apply your contact lenses in each packaging as well. So yep, this one is called Polar Light Yellow Green. I love it. I can actually see myself wearing this every single day, every day. Like, it's so everyday friendly, beginner makeup friendly, occasion friendly. And yeah, I love how simple it is. And bear in mind that their contact lenses are very easy to apply, very soft, and they don't itch your eyes or give you any irritation in the eyes at all. They're very comfortable on the eyes as well. I love this brown as well. This brown is like one of my favorite, definitely one of my favorite. It gives that bow pow to any makeup look you're wearing, and my eyes is just like amazing, looks amazing. It actually complements my skin tone as well, and I am a huge fan. The polar light blue is also one of my favorite. It's very cool toned, and you can wear this one on days that you want to give attention to your eyes or your makeup look. Yep, I would definitely recommend this as well on days that you just want that glamorous look, but at the same time you want the attention on your eyes. And this ice pink one is also cool toned as well, but this one is very close to my natural eyes. So yeah, if you want that natural look, I'm wearing lenses but not that obvious, then I would definitely recommend this ice pink. I love it as well. You can barely tell I'm wearing anything, at the same time it gives that pink undertone to my natural eyes. And this falling star polar blue, wow, you guys need to see these lenses in the real life. It actually has stars on that lenses. Like, the camera is not doing justice to this. Trust me guys, if you actually see this in real life, you will be wowed, like wowed. I love the quality of their lenses, and I love the fact that they are professional to the T. Their shipping was really quick, and I love the fact that they pay attention to details when it comes to the quality of their lenses. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this brand. In terms of the quality of the lenses, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of their packaging, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of how quick their shipping was, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of how well and how easy it is to install the lenses, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of all the goodies included in their packaging, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of how comfortable, quality, everything that has to do with this contact lens is just A plus for me, like A plus for me. I'm really impressed with the quality of the lenses by this brand, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out. It's definitely thumbs up for me, like double thumbs up for me. Yeah,